What's up, you guys? This right here is my Craftsman impact drill. Personally, I'm just a huge fan of Craftsman tools just because of the reliability of them. So as you can see, this impact drill is a small one, just makes it super compact and easy to take you on different job sites, different areas, especially in those tight spaces. One good thing that I definitely like about this is you can do a one-handed drill bit change. So right here on this guy, you just pop that open. As you can see, it moved just a slight bit. See how it just moved just a tight bit? That's how you replace the bits, which makes it really easy so you can do it one-handedly, pop out, pop in, pop out, pop in. So if you're, climbing a ladder or just in an awkward spot, just one hand, boom, pop out. Really, really easy to use. Another cool thing that it has is it actually has an LED light on here. So once you go ahead and just hit that trigger, it will stay on for a couple seconds after. So if you're in a dark spot or an awkward spot, definitely will help you out there. Another cool thing is that it is a bushless drill, so you don't have to worry about anything there. Just makes it super, super powerful drill, by the way. Cool feature too, you have a little lock button here, right here in the middle. So that button right there, you just go ahead and it locks. And then of course you can put it in reverse as well. Different speeds and everything too. Another cool feature is that it has this battery pack. So this is the 20 volt 2A right here. Just makes it super easy and friendly to use with other Craftsman tools that are in the same family. So that V20 family, you can basically swap this out for a bunch of different other things like a saw, um, drill bits, lights, all kinds of different things. Really easy to clip in and clip out. And once it's in there very well. The battery does not rattle around, so it doesn't shake or rattle. It's just all there. So it's just very, very nice, very easy to use, super compact. Definitely cannot recommend this Craftsman impact drill enough.